ready to go?
And Kevin, when you're wet.
Yeah, I will do as soon as we start getting wet. So where are we going, Noah?
Daddy, can you try and put your in your pocket?
I will do.
Careful, Daddy, you'll get the whole body and wet.
I know. How many times have we done this?
2 times.
2 times. Is it fun?
Yeah. Please put it in your pocket now.
I'm going to put it in my pocket in 1 minute.
Okay.
Can you see Mummy? Over there. Wow, that's us.
That's where we're going, aren't we?
That is where we're going.
We're going for a splash.